Effortless ways to find statement pieces that match your personal style. Learn how to pick statement pieces that reflect your true style with easy personal style tips for women. Discover affordable luxury with Luxe Looks by Mia Winslow. Finding statement pieces that fit your personal style. Tips you'll actually use. Okay, so if you're anything like me, the idea of finding statement pieces that truly speak to your personal style feels like a treasure hunt, but not the kind with maps and pirates, more like navigating the endless racks and online shops without losing your mind or your budget. Today, I want to chat with you about how to pick out those standout items that not only catch eyes, but also feel like you. Because let's be real, wearing something just because it's trendy doesn't always make you feel confident or authentic. First off, one of the greatest personal style tips for women, and honestly, anyone who cares about how they dress, is to get crystal clear on what your personal style is. This might sound obvious, but sometimes we try to fit into styles that don't vibe with us just because they're in. That's why a solid personal style guide can be a game changer. It helps you get to know what shapes, colors, and textures resonate with your vibe. So, what does finding the right statement piece really mean? It's about that one thing in your wardrobe that immediately draws attention, but doesn't scream, "I'm trying too hard." It should complement your existing closet, add excitement, and reflect your personality. Here's what works for me, and might help you along the way too. Look beyond the obvious. Statement pieces don't have to be giant, chunky jewelry or neon shoes. Think about interesting fabrics, subtle patterns, or even a jacket with a unique cut. Sometimes the quiet statements make the biggest impact. Quality over quantity. It's tempting to buy all the flashy stuff during a shopping spree, but investing in a few timeless statement pieces that fit your style well will serve you better in the long run. Remember, that's part of mastering your look. Consider your lifestyle. A statement piece should be wearable for the kind of days you have. If you're always on the move, maybe a bold scarf or a distinctive handbag works better than something you can't comfortably wear all day. Think color strategically. Statement pieces don't always have to be a wild color, but often a pop of color against a neutral base can brighten an outfit without overwhelming it. Play with hues that make you feel energized. Experiment and get personal style inspiration. Don't be afraid to try new things once in a while. Sometimes you stumble upon your new favorite look by stepping outside your comfort zone. And if you need a little push or fresh ideas, a personal style guide or a book like Luxe Looks by Mia Winslow can give you that boost. By the way, speaking of Luxe Looks by Mia Winslow, it's a fantastic resource if you want personal style help that makes luxury affordable. Mia really knows how to elevate your wardrobe without emptying your wallet. And who doesn't want that, right? If you want to tap into that expert style advice, I highly recommend checking it out. You can buy now and discover affordable luxury style that feels tailor-made for your life. Now, something else to keep in mind is how your statement pieces interact with each other and your overall wardrobe. Often, people overthink combining statement items and end up feeling overwhelmed or mismatched. A good rule? Limit statement pieces to one per outfit. This keeps your look balanced and lets each piece shine. If you're still struggling, here's a quick checklist to sort through potential statement pieces. Does it match your personal style inspirations or goals? Does it complement multiple pieces already in your closet? Will it make you feel confident every time you wear it? Is it versatile enough to wear on different occasions? Is it well made or at least well designed for your budget? When you find that item that ticks most or all of those boxes, you've found a keeper. And from there, building outfits becomes way more fun and intuitive. So, to wrap up, finding statement pieces that fit your personal style is definitely an art, but it's also totally doable with a little patience and the right mindset. Focus on authenticity. Choose quality. Stay true to your lifestyle. And don't hesitate to lean on personal style tips for women from trusted experts and resources. Thanks for hanging out and chatting style today. Remember, your best style is the one that feels like you. And if you want professional tips to fine-tune that, grab a copy of Luxe Looks by Mia Winslow. It's packed with personal style advice that really works.